So in today's video, I am going to be giving you an update on the Detailer's Helper Belt. Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So guys, if you haven't seen the first video that I made on this, click up here. That goes to the first video that I made when I first got the belt. Now, it has been a year and I have used this thing heavily. As you can see, I've used it through the crazy Virginia summer, and it's been brutal here with the heat and the humidity. But as a mobile detailer, I'm using this thing outside all the time. I use it not just for the exterior details, but I also use it for my interior details. So I'm going to be having this thing on, I don't know, for hours as I'm detailing in and out of the vehicle. So I'll use it for holding all my bottles, my brushes, even my vacuum tools I'll put in here. So I'm just not leaving them around in the vehicle or outside the vehicle. I don't want to lose them, so I'll just pop them into my pockets. Now, as you can see, man, it kind of popped out of place. So not sure what happened there. I was just kind of hard on it and the stitching came out of place. But, you know, I'm just kind of hard on my tools when I'm detailing. And of course, you know, it's not going to look pretty after a year of use. And you know, it's seen a lot. So I have to say though, I mean, I still use this belt every single day. I love this thing, and it's just so efficient to put all of my tools, my brushes and everything in. And I have to say, I mean, it's going to last another few years. I'll probably get a new one soon, maybe to use, you know, here at my garage that just looks a little bit nicer. But it's really not that big of a deal. This thing is still functional and it's still pretty heavy duty. I might just fix this, you know, little pocket myself, or maybe get a new one. I know you can get separate little pockets like that, but I might upgrade later on. Maybe I'll just use this one strictly for interior details and get a nicer one that I use just for exterior details. But yeah, the Detailer's Helper Belt, pretty awesome, pretty rugged, and I've used it for a full year and I've loved it. I used to just use it for exterior only jobs. Now I just leave it on and switch out my wax and other towels and then put my interior tools and just continue to use it. So super efficient, really nice to have. If you guys are considering getting one of these, it's not just a gimmick. It definitely is an awesome tool, especially for mobile guys. So, because, you know, you may be going in and out of your trailer or your truck or whatever you're working out of, and grabbing things, and maybe you forget stuff and you have to go back and get it. Some of you have toolboxes, that's cool, but I just like to have everything right on me so that I can simply reach for it when I need it. And I gotta say, I love all the pockets as well. They work great. They're large enough so that I've had this back one here that I usually use on my backside here, just full of vacuum tools and brushes and things sticking out of it as I'm working around the vehicle. That way I don't lose stuff. It doesn't fall into the vehicle and disappear. I've lost many brushes and vacuum nozzles that way. Keeps everything on you. So thank you guys from Detailer's Helper Belts. Keep putting out great products like this. I know you've updated your belts since then. This is the older version. But thank you for an awesome product. I'm going to definitely continue to use this and probably get another one soon. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it. If you're considering getting one of these, then click the links down below or click up here or up here. That goes to our dedicated page where you can actually purchase products and tools that we use in our professional detailing business. And you can click on those pictures easily, leads you right to Amazon so you can purchase those products. Don't forget our apparel. We do have t-shirts, hoodies, and a ton of other stuff on our online store. So click up here as well, that goes to it, or click some of the links down below. I know, all these places to click, but definitely check those links down below. I have a ton of different products down there also. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.